But how's that gonna? How far are these apart though, Dad?
What?
The two frame rails right now.
The two frame rails like this, they're 24.
No, I mean, hey, Steve.
What's up, fellas?
What's going on?
What you
What
doing?
are we doing?
What are we doing?
Cutting more.
Oh, I thought I was gonna get the sneak up on.
About 10 seconds ago, you thought we were grinding away like crazy.
I can smell it.
Hey, yo, look at this.
What's up, everybody?
Everybody remembers Steve. We're gonna go check his. How far did you get on that truck?
Quite a bit.
We're gonna come.
I don't want you to see it. You're not allowed to come see it.
We're gonna come check.
I'm gonna let Josh come see it, but you're not.
I get to see it.
How come you're not done this job yet?
Yeah.
We would have been done if all this other crap.
That's a lot of work, ain't it?
Holy crap! All right. So, I got a reconstruction surgery over here. I got to put a new leg on it.
Oh wow!
There's nothing in
Duct tape. I got duct tape.
They already did that. They used mine though. Look.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, look.
Well, at least that's better than that foam.
Yeah.
You ever see them fill the cars up with the foam?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Because it expands and it gets nice and strong.
They say
yeah.
it's to keep the smoke from coming in when they're doing burnouts.
Yeah.
That's what it's
Sure.
for.
It is.
Man, this thing, it's a nice body style too.
I know. I like these.
Yeah, one day I'm gonna be like you guys. Skinny.
Well. Oh, there's a hole in there.
Then I'll just peel back. I'm gonna cut a little bit more here.
That's a
And
hole
then
there
I'm
too.
then I'm gonna-
In the.
Yeah, that's nothing. No, that's where the
Okay.
pickup frame. That's nothing. I'll plug that off later.
I'll straighten these out with the pliers right now, and then I'll hit them with the dolly and stuff. Did the other side too. So I'm gonna got this side somewhat straight, so then I'll straighten it out better now with a hammer and stuff. So I just gotta grind this whole side down with that. Gotta do the whole thing, so we can love this place on. So we're gonna just throw this half of the car away. No.
Drastic measures.
It's up top on the. No, it's inside. It's inside. It's in your back pocket.
Oh. There's nothing here. Nada. So the goal is
Our
to
theory.
go forward from here and not go back later. So the right way to do it, I'm gonna cut this off completely here. I'm gonna remake all three. There's three pieces to this. There's one center piece, inner piece. And we're gonna make all three pieces, butt weld it right here, and then on the inside we'll
It'll be the
bridge
plate.
it together, and then the plate will be here. So it'll be stronger than the other side, if anything. But right now, there's nothing to connect anything to in here. So I'm going to trim this off, put the rocker in it, you know, this section of the rocker in it, and then just make a new panel here. You don't care about the paint because it's getting quarter panels.
That spot's
later.
black anyway. It'll be
Well, it's
perfect.
going to get quarter panels later.
No, I know.
So it don't matter. So then we'll rebuild that and rebuild that. So you got to take drastic measures. But we don't want to go back and have to do this later.
You're not gonna cut that plate
We're not
out.
going to cut this plate out later. We're not going to go cutting roll cages out again later. We just want to do this once.
stayed up there pretty good.
So you know how. Think about it. That's really the only thing holding
A card.
structure
Yeah.
together. I'm just gonna cut this piece out, and then we'll remake this whole thing.
Watch the tire.
That's old Bondo anyway.
Watch the tire on that
So,
side.
I'm looking at it from in here. I
Alright.
can see the tire.
Oh, alright.
Bondo and rust. That's all it is. Nothing in there. So, I mean, it's freaking nuts. This is the only. I cut it that far back because now there's, at least this is good metal here. So, I'm gonna section this off like this. I'm gonna go over to Dutra and have him bend me something. He'll bend this pretty much right back to where that is. I'll put the centerpiece back in it, and then we'll use the plate on the inside.
Yep.
All right?
Hold
We
it
need,
all up.
how much we need? About 20.
I'll get a tape measure
I'll
here.
get about 20 inches of it.
It's just cutting Bondo. There we go.
Nice. That's all fiberglass Bondo. Nice.
Oh, on the edge there, yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at all that Bondo. Strong. Who said you can't build a car with fiberglass?
Corvettes are built with it.
Alright, so I mean, alright, let's go to Dutra, see what he could do with that thing for me. They from jacking it up, it's all messed up. That's all dented. See this one? Look at this one.
Yeah.
We'll straighten that out real quick. So we can.
Because you ain't never doing that. Clean it all off. We'll sweep up again. Then we can start putting this plate on this side while we're waiting for that piece of the quarter to get made up.
Well, oh man, we finally cleaned up in here. What a mess. Blew everything out, got everything all cleaned up. Everything's all grinded up, ready to go. We're gonna, I dropped off the piece at Dutra's. He's gonna duplicate that piece for me, make it a little bit longer than what I need, and then I'll trim off whatever I don't need. So it's gonna be an outer, an inner, and then the inner are the plates that we made for the side that we got up. So he sheared those for me at the right width and height. So we're gonna end up putting them in, and we'll trim the front, trim the back. So once we get that piece back from him, it's gonna be a day or so. They were busy. Usually he'll do stuff for me right away, but ain't no rush. Man, we need a break from this car. So we're gonna put that on there, wait for that piece to come in, and then we'll finish up this corner, and then we'll put the floor in it. Once the floor is in it, then we can add the back piece, the two front pieces, and then start working on the chassis and the roll cage. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The next video we'll probably be doing this corner piece and the floor. We might put that plate in. That side can actually be put in, so we'll probably end up doing that first. All right, talk to you later. All right, next step, we're gonna put this one panel on, that inner panel on. So he's scraping all the outer edge of the rocker, and then we're gonna make holes in it so we can through weld the plate on. And then I'm gonna be in the other room drilling holes in the plate so we can weld it to the top. Can't get it from here. Gotta weld this one from here and the bottom from the outside.
For a second, I thought you were drilling through the tape measure. I'm gonna hold that end up.
Holes the whole way down. Now I'll make a couple of random holes in the middle. We'll be all ready to go. Alright? Alright, so we got the plate all holy. He's gonna make something, he's gonna clean up that little edge a little bit better, and then we're gonna start making the holes, and then we're gonna put that up in there and see how it looks. We'll put you on speed so you can follow along. Yes, sir. Strong, like bull. It's good now, buddy. Gonna plug weld all those holes, and then there's a whole nother row on the bottom from the outside, so that we get both pieces. And then we'll just trim that off to match, you know, the front, so it looks like the front. You're good to go. And then we'll squish this back together. Weld this frame to that, and that'll be it. We'll fit the floor first before we even do that and make sure it all fits nice. Alright, so we're just gonna weld away now, burn it all in.
Now, man. Alright. Looking good.
How's that? You burn right through. Oh yeah.
Just leave it in. Just leave
Just
it.
want to get it nice and close. Where's the hammer so I can make sure it's banged in there?
Alright. Yeah, it's getting red. Alright, I'll put you on time lapse because it'll be a while.
Yeah, we don't have to put it on time. I'll just leave it.
Alright.
They get the gist of it.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the inside all welded up. Lights off right now. I'll show you after. Here you go. So we're welding up the bottom. Drilled all the holes in the bottom, weld all those up. Somebody just pulled up.